Welcome back to the channel of Car Compass. Today, we are diving into the 2025 GMC Savana Royale Limousine, a vehicle that redefines luxury and practicality in the full-size van segment. This latest iteration of the Savana is designed for those who demand high-end comfort combined with strong performance, making it an ideal choice for corporate executives, luxury transport services, and even families who prefer to travel in ultimate style. Starting with the design, the GMC Savana Royale Limousine stands out with its bold and commanding presence. The front fascia features a signature chrome grille flanked by sleek LED headlights that enhance both aesthetics and visibility. The long wheelbase provides extra space, while the high roof adds to its limousine-like appeal. The side profile is defined by aerodynamic contours and premium alloy wheels that ensure a smooth ride. Its rear showcases elegant LED taillights and a power liftgate for easy cargo access. Inside the cabin, the Savana Royale Limousine offers an oasis of luxury. Premium leather upholstery, wood-grain accents, and ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. The spacious seating arrangement is designed for ultimate comfort with reclining captain's chairs, massaging functions, and even a minibar for passengers to enjoy. A state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a premium surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Additional features include a panoramic sunroof, smart climate control, and multiple USB ports and wireless charging pads. The rear cabin of the Savana Royale Limousine is where true luxury comes to life. Designed to be a mobile lounge, it features individual reclining seats with extendable leg rests, memory settings, and heating and cooling functions. A partition separates the driver from the rear passengers, offering complete privacy for meetings or relaxation. Advanced ambient lighting allows for customizable moods, and an integrated entertainment system includes dual screens with HDMI support for streaming and presentations. A starlit ceiling effect similar to what is seen in high-end luxury sedans adds an extra touch of elegance. Cup holders are equipped with heating and cooling functions to keep beverages at the perfect temperature, and a fold-out table provides space for work or dining on the go. For those who prioritize security, bulletproof glass and an advanced surveillance system are optional upgrades. Performance-wise, the 2025 GMC Savana Royale Limousine is powered by a robust V8 engine, delivering ample horsepower and torque for smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. For those seeking efficiency, a turbocharged V6 variant is also available, offering a balance of power and fuel economy. The advanced suspension system provides a cushioned ride, while an all-wheel drive option ensures superior handling in various road conditions. Safety is a priority with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless parking. When it comes to market availability, the 2025 GMC Savana Royale Limousine is expected to launch in select markets worldwide. North America will be the primary region, followed by Europe and the Middle East, where luxury transport services have a strong demand. Pricing will vary based on trims and customization options, with high-end models offering exclusive features like privacy partitions and personalized interior layouts. Dealerships will start taking orders soon, and potential buyers can also explore financing and leasing options. With its perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality, the GMC Savana Royale Limousine sets a new benchmark in its segment. Whether for business or leisure, it offers a first-class travel experience. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates on premium vehicles, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest automotive content.